Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lyngdoh yesterday inaugurated the Tirot Museum and Culture Centre of Indigenous Knowledge at Nong Klau Village, Eastern West Khasi Hills District on the occasion of 189th death anniversary of U Tirot Singh CM, the legendary freedom fighter of the Khasis. The minister was also accompanied by Mairang MLA Metba Lyngdoh, Principal Secretary Arts and Culture F.R. Kharkongor, CM of Hima Nong Klau, PM CM Le, in the presence of government officials, Rang Bashnongs and others.
Kenikasi kanlong dorong staff pada lingkup berbasis part dai jong kecing klano jong Tirot Singh kadairu hakasir kaba ningkong ba kerteng ke jogu kanam ke jogu kalasu si amtang hakani kari ke jogi endrai shabar nilala petle ya matur jogu hataka ba ke Indian High Commission kalpembed ba kandon ka official program